Alright, for this question, you notice that I need to expand the first bracket and also the second bracket, but there's a negative in the middle, so be very careful when you're expanding this out. So your first step that you do would be rewriting it in this form, because you're repeating it twice. So you got two of the same brackets, the minus still remains, and the other one you repeat the same bracket twice again. Now, this is the part that you have to be very careful. So we can apply what you've learned, which is break up the first bracket, keep the second bracket, and distribute. Right, so here you would do your 2t times 2t minus 7 and minus 7 times 2t minus 7. Alright, so in your second part, be very careful, the minus will stay as a minus, and this is when you use your big bracket. Right, so for a big bracket, now you can distribute whatever you have learned so far, which is break up the first bracket and then distribute the second. So here, because of the big bracket, you don't need to worry so much. You put your 5t times 5t minus 4 and minus 4 times 5t minus 4. Alright, and then you close your bracket. Now you can expand them as per normal. So you got 2t distribute into the first bracket and your minus 7 distribute into the second bracket. Be very careful here because there's a negative. So you should get 4t squared minus 14t and minus 14t plus 49. Why plus? Because minus times minus is plus, 7 times 7 is 49. Now, the second part, remember the minus remains the same. Keep your big bracket and distribute the rest of it inside. So open up the first bracket and open up the second bracket. Right, so when you open up, be very careful, you'll get 25t squared minus 20t, and you got minus 20t plus 16. Close your bracket. Right, do not open the bracket until you simplify everything. So from your first part, you will have minus 14t and minus 14t. You can simplify them. So you got 4t squared minus 28t. Remember, it's a loss, and a loss is a bigger loss. Alright, plus 49. Okay, you've already simplified the first part of the expression. Now the second part, keep your big bracket, do not expand yet. Simplify your minus 20 and your minus 20. So you'll get 25t squared minus 40t plus 16. And then you close your bracket. Now only after this, at this point, you're going to expand or bring this negative inside into every single item in your second bracket. So you'll get 4t squared minus 28t plus 49 minus 25t squared plus 40t minus 16. Now at this point, you'll be combining all the like terms. You have a 4t squared and a minus 25t squared. So this will give you a total of negative 21t squared. Next you have your minus 28 and you have your plus 40. So here, because a loss of 28 but a gain of 40, so you get plus 12t. And then you have your plus 49 and minus 16. Here you will get your plus 33. And then you are done.